Here I have INTEX Aqua Trend, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and tab OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys. Power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. Let me choose here recovery. Wait until the Android system recovery pops up, and here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition, press power button to do it, and the device is formatting the cache files. The device is erasing all temporary cache files, and as soon as the Android system recovery pops up, let's press power key to reboot system now. The device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Excellent, so that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.